I've done several videos where I needed to add two-way film to some plexiglass. In this video I'll be focusing specifically on that process and showing you how I do it. These steps can be used whether you're putting it on plastic or glass. For this video, I'll just be calling it glass. The first thing you need to do is cut the piece of film that you're going to apply. If you cut the film a little bit bigger than the glass, it will be easier to work with later on. Before applying the film, it's a good idea to clean the dust off of your work area. Static on the film can attract the dust, which will stick to the film and cause bumps. It's very helpful to get your glass wet before applying the film. This prevents the glue on the film from sticking right away, and it will allow you to push out the wrinkles and the bubbles. You can use a spray that's made for this, or you can just use water that has a little bit of soap in it. Just don't make the water too soapy. The mirror film has a plastic layer over the sticky side that needs to be removed. Stick a piece of tape to each side, then pull them apart. Now you can lay the film onto the glass, sticky side down. Starting from the center, rub out the wrinkles and the bubbles. You can use your fingers or a plastic card, but there are also specific tools that are made for this. If you're having too much difficulty with a bubble or a wrinkle, you can lift a section of the film to help you push it out. Be careful when you do this though. Each time you lift the film, it may stretch. It also increases the chances of getting dust underneath. A small piece of dust will make a hard bump that is very noticeable through the film and it will not push out. Keep in mind that some of the bumps will be super tiny bubbles that are nearly impossible to push out, but these may go away on their own over time. With the film in place, trim the extra from the edges. I used to just trim it right along the edge, but I have noticed that some of the edges would keep peeling back and never stick very well. I have found that if you trim the film a little bit short, it will stick much better and not peel back so much. That's pretty much the process that I use. If you have any tips or suggestions for applying mirror film, share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching.